Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a course on Wix. So let's get started. Right now, I'm on the Wix website, and I already have my own website that I have created. So the next thing I need to do is just head over to this apps right here, and then it will redirect us to the up market. So from in there, just search in here for Wix Online Program. So let's search for that. And here you can see this Wix Online Programs. So this can help you build and sell multi-step programs. So click on that one. Then from there, you click on Add to Site. And then in here, it will actually add your Wix. So click on Go to Editor right here. And then from in there, you can click on Open. And then this will open your Wix editor. So right now, the next thing you need to do is just click on this sphere icon right here. That is your icon for my business. So click on that. And then in here, you should be able to see this Wix Online Programs. So click on Wix Online Program right here. And in here, you have seen that we have added this up to the dashboard. Now we need to add a server site. So click on Add Up right here. And then this will add Wix Online Programs to the website that we have chosen and created. So let's just wait for that right here to finish adding it to the site right here. So right now it has been added to the site and we can now see it under the program list. So in here you can see that programs that is by default added from the app itself. But we can actually click on this manage programs right here in order to actually edit the programs that we want to offer. So let's just wait for this to load right here. So from in there, just click on Get Started. And then make sure to click on this online course since we will be using to create the course. From in there, click on Next. And then in here, you can start fresh or you can also choose templates right here. So it can be a business plan, healthy baking basics, 7 steps to become SEO expert and all of that. So for this one, let's choose this healthy baking basics. Then click on Finish. And as you can see, it will be added right here. So in here, you just need to edit the top. Then edit the basic info. So edit the cover image. So for example, you want to put in healthy cell like that. You just need to head over and choose the image they have right here. So click on this cover image or video, click on image. And then from in here, it will open the Wix media. So just search in here for the media applicable to you. So let's choose in here barbecue. And then in here, let's just choose the actual thing that is relevant for us. So let's choose this one right here. Then click on add to page. And then as you can see, it will look like this. So you can also put in a category. So let's type in Korean since it is a Korean dish. And in here, you can also edit out the description. So let's put in the you want to know how to make viewer the style help me. So say something like that and add in a description that you want. And then in here, you can assign instructors to this program and edit their profiles. So if you click on assign right here, we should be able to add in instructors. So if we have other people that is on your site, you can add them. But for now, I will assign myself and click on save right here. So from in there, just click on save again. And then this will save our first course. So you can also make sure to add in scheduling right here. You can add in a group, you can put in rewards, enable intimidation, and also SEO. So let's head back again. And then in here, you can click on publish right here. So as you can see right now, click on publish. And then as you can see, we have now published this program. So let's close this right here. And then from in there, it should be able to put us in here. So as you can see, the Healthy Sum gift cell has been added to the list of our programs. If you want to add another program, just click on Manage Programs right here again. And then from in there, this will load, and then we should be able to add another program to your list. So let's just filter that right here. Now, if you want to add another program, just click on this create new right here if you want to add mother. But for this one, let's tackle first how to set up pricing. So click on this set up pricing right here. And then this will load and you should be able to put it a price for the program course that you are actually offering. So let's just filter that again. So you can choose in here to be free, to be private, or to be secret. So in here, let's put this private right here and then click on pay to join. So right now, it can be a one-time payment or it can be a subscription on a pricing plan. So let's just use this one-time payment right here and then a split in 1,000. And then from in there, the number of participants, it can limit it or it can be unlimited if you want. After that, click on save right here. And then in here, you can also connect a pricing plan to this program. So just click on create subscription. And then this will load and you should be able to create a subscription. Right now, let's just wait for this to finish loading. And in here, you can see the pricing and visibility. And you can offer a membership or package with pricing plan. Click on get started and then just put in a plan name. So for this, let's put in good membership right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see other like this description that tell it customers what main features are. So you can put in your cooking. So this because we have the course for cooking. So in here, the online program is out the Samgip Sal. You can also add in box subscription and event memberships. So for this, what we can do next is to make sure to put in the pricing option. It can be one-time payment. It can also be recurring payments. But for this one, I'll choose one-time payment and put in 1,000. After that, I'll just head over and click on save. But it's actually heading over to this. So I'll just unclick that. And then in here, just choose the length of plan. I choose 3 months right here. And then click on save right here. So once we have done that, this will save our plan. So from in there, we should be able to see the things right here. So just click on save to save all of them. And then from in there, just hover over and exit this thing right here. So in here, let's go back. And in here, we can see the scores that we have. We can also invite participants if we want. So from in there, we should be able to put this all together. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a course on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like, below or subscribe because it's helping reach more people. See you soon.